Come. Come here. Huy. I said, come here. Hi. Let's, punas-punas Santa.
Shower na ako.
Yeah. What is it? Wipe tissue. We need to clean Santa after sampo. After walking outside, we need to wipe her body, feet, and mouth because she got leak anywhere. So messy and dirty, right? Come, Santa. Not yet. Give me your feet. Feet. We need to wipe her feet also. Feet. Santa, look at her. Give me your feet. Feet. Good.